Welcome back to room. This is door called ATTABOY. My name is Manny, and I am number 1. Welcome back to railway track invisible room. This is Chris. All together along steams on main line. Room train. Game this locomotive. Manny and Chris was happy. Everybody can help, said Manny. Who is this? Look forward, please let me meeting Manny, said Chris. I'd like P, said Manny. Pocket had a D to go to get somehow. You're trying to trucks an end, said Chris. Chuckled at last year's end, said Manny. Case people of who is Manny the damages, said Chris. Yeah. Manny and Chris huff and puff towards the green engine like came to the island of Soder. Manny that told him grateful except this war I seriously, everything add. David's number left side or right side. So kids are freaking adorable, said David. Link of they are fussing over his, said Chris. Yes sir, said Jason. However you guys are being nooks with Hale, said Manny. But Hale's wheels couldn't move, laughed Chris said hopefully. Then, Mighty Mack passing by. Manny has burned the nail, said Mighty Mack. One of us will be backward, laughed Manny. Manny and Chris go and stop. Arthur and Streamer hauling load of one car. Seemstop, Kaja and Chenna battle backwards. Bang! All the train has a move. All the trains have completed. Seemstop, Kaja and Chenna were in happy. I used it for the minute, said Seemstop. I this kitchen about there all, said Kaja and Chenna. Mighty Mack has a turn on into slow down. Green of this hole in ground, said Mighty Mack. At last, Mighty Mack lost control. Mighty Mack crashed into ground. Eminem and Connor has been working. Mighty Mack has really indeed good and I friends. Manny and Chris are being useful tonight. I Chris Uniaji that you are feeling calm because you have, said Manny. Surprised me with my fawn that they are home within. Manny, I saw like get some once on engineering work, said Chris. Oh, said Eminem, I have tried some extraordinary, but it's name menu. Well, is on pain you got a new job, said Connor. I follow the moon to the dark is draining about auger, said Mighty. Step along, Connor has a speeding ticket, said Mack. Manny and Chris was talking about to soil in darking grade but final race, but he was from very well in his quiet non-life and he was in square room. Then there was trouble. Eminem and Connor come off the bedroom cover. Sorry, said Mighty Mack. Mighty Mack speed up reached the main line of the land. Nighttime evening service on side view. Eminem and Connor racing across the dark. At last, Mighty Mack turns on the coach and drives away. All the engines coupled together. Goodbye room train, louder the engines. See you later, tooted the engines. Thank goodness, said Gordon. Hold my hands are together, said Bobby. All the engines to say the end, tooted the engines. Manny was wondering if was happy. Damage caused the president to the room train the end, puffed Manny.